students, today we discuss about one words of first lesson, relations and functions. So first question we see n of a cross b equal to 6. Cartesian multiple uடைய value 6. A set we have 2 members. So how many members in B set we want to find. So if you have 3 separation, you will get 2 into 3, 6. So n of b equal to 3. So your answer is 3. Second question, A, B, C 3 set and you find out n of A union C Cartesian multiple to B. So A union C first you find. So A, B 2 members and P is common and you adding A union C. So how many members? 6 members you will have. So B 2 separation, 6 into 2, so what is your answer? 12. 6 into 2, what is your answer? 12. So third question, we move to third question. So A, B, C, D, 4 answers are given. 4 options are given. You find out which statement is true. So you see A and C are the least number of sets and B and D are the higher number of set. Here 8 members are have. So B cross D is the higher one. So B cross D you will get 16 members. A cross C you will get 2 into 2, 4 members only. So A cross C is the subset of B cross D. First answer is your correct answer. So we go to fourth question. 124 relations of A set is given. You find out the number of B set. Relation is nothing but is the subset of Cartesian product. So subset, what is the cardinal number of subset formula? 2 power n is our subset. Cardinal number of subset formula. So 124, how many 2 powers? 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is our answer. So A set we have 5 members. So how many separation we will get? 10. 5 into 2. 5 into 2. 2 separation if you have, you will get 10 members. So how many members? Number of B equal to 2. 2 is your answer. So fifth question, find the range of x is a prime number less than 13. X is a prime number less than 13. So less than 13, how many prime numbers we have? So we have 5 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are the prime numbers. So you find out the range. What is range? Is nothing but this is our answer. Answer is our range. So what is our answer? Square. You square 2 square 4, 3 square 9 and you will get the answer 4, 9, 25, 49, 121 is your answer. So we go to sixth question. A plus 2 comma 4, 5 comma 2A plus B are equal. So first number equal to first number. A plus 2 equal to 5. So which number you add 2 is your answer? 5. So A equal to 3. So if you substitute 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So A answer is 3. So here A is 3 you already know. 2 into 3, 6 plus B equal to 4. You reduce something, you will get the 4. So 6 you reduce by 2, you will get a 4 answer. So B equal to minus 2. So 3 comma minus 2 your answer. Seventh question, n of A equal to m, n of B equal to n, then the total number of relations. Relation is the, I am telling this is a subset. So cardinal of subset answer is 2 power n. Here A and B, so 2 power m n is your answer. So these are the identity function. Identity function, the 2 members are equal. So A equal to 8 and B equal to 6 is your answer. So ninth one, so what is this function? So all have the separate answers. So this is 1-to-1 function. So 10th question, f of x 2x squared and g of x is given. F compose g. So G is the input one to F machine. So you input to F machine, you will get 2 into input value. So you will get the square. After squaring, 2 by 9x squared is your answer. So 11th question, A to B is the bijective function. Bijective function n of A equal to n of B. So B equal to 7, also A equal to 7. So 12th one, F and G two functions, you find out the range of the F. Compose G. So G input function, so G I write here by using these values. First values I write this domain. Second value I write this domains. And F value I write this domain. So I go to all the order pair, I paired it. What is your last answer? 0, 1, 2 is your answer. So the range of F of G, this is the method, correct method to find out the composition of two functions. So the range of this answer is 0, 1, 2 only. These three members only have the answers. These are not range. Okay, so this is your answer. So let F of x equal to x1 plus x square, then what is your answer? If you substitute y equal to 1 plus y square, if you substitute xy 1 plus xy, so xy you substitute, your answer is here. And f of x and int f of y. So this int this, you will get the common square root, you will get this answer. You look first and second answers, you look. So this is higher than this. So f of xy is lesser. Okay, f of xy is less than separate multiplication of f of x and f of y. Okay, so less than or equal to f of x into f of y. 14th question, order pair is given, you find out the function. So order pair, first domain you will write, this is the range, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is odd number, this is natural number. How do you get the odd number? 2 times of this number, reduce 1, you will get the odd number. So this 2 minus 1, you will get 1, 4 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 8 minus 1, you will get the answer. So this is the alpha is substitute 2 and beta you substitute reduce 1, you will get the answer. So alpha value is 2 and beta value is minus 1 is our answer. So 15th question, represent which function it is. So x plus 1, the expansion is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This expansion is here. So minus x cube and plus x cubes are cancelled. You will get the answers in square. So this is the quadratic function.